In this video, I made a custom sign made out of walnut. And right here is where my carve starts to engrave the lettering. I'm using a 1/8 end mill. This total job took about 35 minutes to engrave. Lettering was used in easel. And you can also import different SVGs or logos into it. Now right here is where it's gonna start ending the carving. And this is the finished product after engraving. Now right here is adding some sanding sealer. This just helps out with the bleeding of the coloring so it doesn't go into the grain. This normally takes maybe 30 minutes to an hour depending on the weather. This is the finished product after painting the letters and the logo. If you liked this video, please leave a like and a comment. Make sure to check out my other videos and also my Instagram and Facebook. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.